Lend a helping hand whenever you can. Do some good for your brother when they in a jam. Long as you got the power to help, do for everybody like you do for yourself. What goes around comes around. Don't kick your brother when he's down, or when the chance is slim, when hope's dark and dim. Remember, it could be you instead of him. 'Cause what goes around, comes around.